To turn on or off zoom in iPhone 17, first of all, let's open the settings on our device. Next step is to look for accessibility. Then there's a zoom right here, and after that you'll be able to turn it on. But before we do that, let me explain the controls that you can use. So zoom magnifies your entire screen, and you will see that in a moment. You can double tap 3 fingers to zoom or zoom out. You can drag your 3 fingers across the screen to move the zoom, and you can double tap 3 fingers and drag to change the amount of zoom. So how it works is, if I enable it right now, if I tap with 3 fingers onto the screen, I will zoom out. If I want to zoom in again, use your 3 fingers like this. Then you can drag your 3 fingers when it's zoomed in to look around, and you can double tap 3 fingers to adjust the zoom. So it should work like this, 1, 2, and then we can move our fingers to zoom in and out. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.